Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a free tool that helps you get more followers from the United States or any country on your Facebook page. First, go to the download link in the description below and download the zip tool file. Once downloaded, open your downloads folder, find the file, and extract it to an easy-to-find folder. Next, open your Chrome browser, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. In the Extensions page, enable Developer Mode at the top right. Now, either drag and drop the extracted folder into this page or click Load Unpacked, and select the folder to install the extension. After installation, you'll see a puzzle piece icon appear on your toolbar. Click it and pin the extension for easy access. Open the extension. Fill in all the required details shown on the screen carefully to ensure everything runs smoothly. Make sure you have admin access to the page before using this tool. Here, you can select the country you want to add followers from to your page. For now, I'm choosing the United States. When ready, click Start Now and wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. If the request fails, please wait 1 to 2 hours before reloading the tool and submitting again. During this time, avoid using any other tools to prevent conflicts that might affect future requests. Once you see the Your request has been processed and new followers have been successfully added to the page, message, head back to your page and check the results. Congratulations! The number of followers from the United States on your page has successfully increased. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Good luck!